Hello and welcome back to Unit 2 Handling Data 2. In this tutorial we will be solving an example for the median. The example says find the median for the following frequency distribution. So we have a table of values and we have these values frequencies. So we have values that vary from 0 to 1 to 2, 3, 4 and 5. And for each value we have a certain frequency. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is to add up the frequencies. 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 is 30. Now, what we're going to have to do is to add 1 to 30 and then divide it by 2. 31 divided by 2 is 15.5. So, the median is between the 15th and the 16th value. Now, how can we extract the 15th and 16th? Through this way. At 0, we had 9. So, we're aiming up to 15 and 16, so we're going to go on. Now, at 1, we finally had the 15th value. And the 16th value is basically the first of the two. So, the 15th value is 1, and the 16th value is 2. And their median is their sum divided by 2, which is 3 over 2, which is 1.5.